hi there. It's been quite some time since I've been in the streets of Kuala Lumpur, and this time I've come back exactly in the fasting month of Ramadan here in Malaysia, and I'm in one of the very or ever popular shopping mall, which is the Berjaya Times Square, and I have something for you here. Now right in front of me is the world's largest capsule vending machine. Yep. Now I'll tell you what it is for in a short while. Again, it is the world's largest capsule vending machine. Okay, and I was just told by the information counter that it is slightly over 10 meters high, right? And please do not ask me the diameter of circumference. That I wouldn't know. Yep. All I was told that it is over 10 meters tall. That's how it looks like. Okay, it's the world's largest capsule vending machine. Now, what it is for is actually for shoppers. Now, being a weekend and also the festive mood here in the month of Ramadan in the city. Now, people are out, especially in the weekends, to do their shopping. And let's see some Malaysian faces in a short while outside, where you can really see thousands and thousands of Malaysians preparing for their Fitri, which is a celebration at the end of the month of Ramadan. Okay. Now, what it is for, this world's largest capsule vending machine, is actually shoppers can drop in their receipt worth RM50 ringgit, ringgit Malaysia 50, into the vending machine, and they can redeem it with cash prizes and items or goods from participating outlets in the mall, which is the Berjaya Times Square. Redemption is worth $500,000, $500,000 ringgit Malaysia. Okay, so that's about it for the time being, in streets of Kuala Lumpur. I'm sorry I cannot be so often now in the streets of Kuala Lumpur for you, and thank God today I have a little bit of time. In fact, I just came back from the island of Langkawi, and I'm here in the mall, that is Berjaya shopping mall, or Berjaya, or they call it Berjaya Times Square. Okay, again, one last look at the world's largest capsule vending machine. Okay, I'll be back with you with I'll be back with you again on more of streets of Kuala Lumpur during the month of Ramadan, whereby it is a festive season, or shopping season, I should say, shopping time, and the ever popular Balik Kampung, which is the hometown rush before the big day of Fitri. Okay, thank you very much. Do watch the video clip and leave some comments, please. Thank you very much. See you again. Bye.